In relation po ba sa visibility best, sir? Or the traffic flow itself? Yes. Actually, there is no such discrimination when it comes to checkpoint or accosting. Dagitoy motorist tayo. If I say motorist, not only the drivers of purong-purong tricycle or motor, but also the drivers of four wheels or 10-wheel vehicle. The common misconception is that pinipili lang ng police. That's to break that myth, hindi po yan totoo. Kung tinitignan po natin sa ating data, not only in the province of Ilocos Norte but the entire Philippines, mataas po ang recorded numbers ng ating mga gun for hire using vehicles na madaling itakbo lang like motor or and the like. So, yun yung chinecheck. However, itong sinasabi natin slow-moving vehicles, let me qualify kung ano yung slow-moving vehicles. Yun bang motor, yun bang equipment ng farm equipment, bike. Meron po tayong existing rules on the road safety that all slow-moving vehicles should occupy the rightmost portion of the street to give way, especially if it's a national highway, to give way to the other vehicles. So yun po yung dayjay po iti regular nga pangitting tayo when it comes to slow-moving vehicles. Siguro, there are chances na itong mga slow-moving vehicles are caught in the act violating certain traffic rules. That's why sila yung nahuhuli. But rest assured na walang discrimination or reclassification when it comes to enforcement of the law.